Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Arif and from 7.2. Now, I will talk about my HE reading. The topic is transcript. I like to turn now to the object which is the main point of this talk. The helix. This is a fascinating mathematical object which touches many parts of our lives. Movement, the natural world, the manufactured world, and our genetic makeup are all connected to the shape of helix. A helix is a type of three-dimensional curve that goes around a central cylindrical shape in the form of spiral, like a corkscrew or a spiral staircase. The helix is very popular shape in nature because it is very compact. In fact, helixes are sometimes referred to as nature's space saver in architecture too. The helix base of a spiral staircase is an attractive option in buildings where space is very restricted. The most renowned type of helix is probably the double helix of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is made of two helices that curve around each other, a bit like twisted leather. DNA contains the genetic information or code that determines the development and functioning of all known living things. The helix shape is a very efficient way to store a long molecule like DNA in the limited space of cell. There are different types of helices. Helices can twice clockwise, right-handed, or anti-clockwise, left-handed. An interesting experiment is to hold a clockwise helix, such as corkscrew, up to a mirror. The clockwise helix appears to become a counterclockwise. We can perceive examples of helices in many areas of our world. Spiral staircase, cable, screw, and ropes can be a right-handed or left-handed helix. A helix that goes around a cone is called a conical helix. Examples of conical helix are screw or the famous spiral rim designed by the architect Frank Lloyd Wright in the Guggenheim Museum in New York. Helices are also prevalent in the natural world. The horns of certain animal, viruses, sea cells, and the structure of plant, flower, and leaf can all contain helices. The human umbilical cord is in fact a triple helix. With the discovery that the helix is the shape of DNA molecule, it is not surprising that the helix is found in so many areas. It's one of the most natural shapes in nature. Let's turn our attention to the mathematical description of the helix. You'll need a pen and paper for the next part of the talk, as I am going to give you some variables to write down. Take your time to notice the difference. Okay, so that's all about my HE reading about transcript. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.